Yes.
Okay,
So,
so the check total is this one, and
mhm.
if I
Yeah, your total is going to be off by like 5 cents
say
or
5 cents,
something.
yeah.
Okay, let's pull up the Wayfair website.
Here,
Okay, let's go
and
into it.
I yeah, this is the check number. I have already opened it, and
Hmm. Okay, now scroll down. Okay, so right here where it's saying like the 4%, it's in between like the crime memos and the invoices, the Wayfair CA allowance for damage defect, early pay discount. So when you total those four numbers up, the $93.53, the $154.95, the $656.52, and the $904.99,
hmm
that will be our total discounts. So let's just total those. Get a calculator. Let's total that up. I'm pulling my calculator up as well. 93 point. Okay. 53, 154, 95, 656, 52, 904, 99. Okay, so a total discount should be $101,809.99. Retry.
one
Okay,
thousand 9.99.
yeah. Now let's go back to our the Excel. Okay, so in column E, adjusted amount. Let's total it up. Let's see what we get. Okay, so as we see, it is off by 5 cents. It is $1,810.04 instead of the $1,809.99.
Mm-hmm.
That's gonna happen because of Excel math and the formula. So if you see that you're just off by these kind of couple of cents, go into adjusted and select any amount from the adjusted amount that we're in and change it by like the cents you need. Like I guess add 5 more cents to no, get rid of 5 cents from like anything like that for $4.25. You can just make that $4.05. Oh, this one right here. Just make it 5 cents less.
So, Hunter, I have a question. We just balance this with any random bill, random invoice, or?
Yeah, it could be any random invoice. Because the main thing is that the discount amount is correct. And like if we go back to it, we see that basically each discount is supposed to have like 8% like an 8% apply to it.
Right.
But also there is no real specification on which invoice is total what or whatever. Like it's just a very tricky math.
I see.
So it doesn't really matter that much because the discounts are going to the same place, the same GL account. So we could just make our adjustments, like our few cent adjustments on anything.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay. Please continue.
Okay. So now we did that. Let's make that correction. Okay, now let's total it again. There you
19,665.43.
go.
Yes,
Mhm.
this match.
Okay, there you go. That's a complete check. Now you could just need to copy A through J and put it in payment import sample.
I have another question. Should I have the check number like this, or I have to change the format?
You don't need to change the format.
Okay. And should I remove this amount from
No,
here?
I think it's best to keep those there. I always do.
Okay.
But like it doesn't matter that much. You could get rid of them or you could keep them or not.
Okay. Now I still imported it. So
There we go.
Send it to both. Normally the one that's actually paying invoices. I was talking to her and send it to them. Because if those invoices are getting paid, then that's probably the correct email. And the ones that aren't being
this one is complete, and I updated the.
That's yeah. Everything says the payment input is successful.
Yeah.
Cool. Then we're good. Now we want to make sure when it comes to the Wayfair CRAN memos, are you creating them in that one specific Wayfair Excel file?
No, there are two files, I think. One
Yeah,
is
there's
with
two files.
Wayfair. Yeah, one is with Wayfair credit memo, and there is another one is credit memo import.
Yeah, let's go down.
Okay, I already imported this, so
Okay. Let's go into our payment CRAN memo formula. Okay, the one that says Wayfair CRAN memos.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah.
And another one is this one.
Yeah, have you been putting the data into Wayfair CRAN memos?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's just scroll down. Let's just see it because it is important that we put
Here.
good. It's important that we put everything in here because this will help us get our whole mathing and stuff and data and all that stuff. And it's good to have one place to have all the CRAN memos.
Sure. Okay, before I'm starting, so I already download the Wayfair payments for January 2026, and I keep it under Wayfair, then payments, then like creating a new folder, January 2026 pending, and here are all are the pending checks for January. You can find all of them are here. Right. Now we completed this one, and now you are working on this one. So this is the one we are going to work on. You need to pull up the payment input file. Okay. Go to Wayfair. Copy the PO numbers, invoice, and paste it here. Then we have to copy the space in between USD and
Yeah, you gotta copy
amount.
that, and then you gotta do text to column.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know what it is, but that space is like a very special character that's just not on a keyboard.
Okay.
So this is the only way you can separate the USD from the amounts. Yeah, press finish. Or is it just loading? Okay.
Can I just make it replace, find and replace options in the Excel by doing that thing?
I mean, I guess you can, but this is like, we don't want anything else to be separated. We only want this to be separated.
Oh, I got it.
So just in case like that weird blank is used for anything else, we just want to make sure this is only it.
Okay.
Yeah, Hunter, I missed some of the previous work, so I just want to make sure that if it replaced any column, The
No.
G column, was there anything there before, or
Um,
Yeah.
we just inserted a column before?
give me a sec.
There was an
Actually,
amount.
yeah, there.
There was something, right?
Yeah, G column had a header on it,
Yes.
but it's not that important that it's kept. But I
Okay.
do think that like, and
Okay, can we hit Control Z real quick and see what was it?
yeah,
Mm.
Yeah, just do Control Z. Okay, so it was total amount or something like that.
yeah.
Yeah,
I mean,
amount.
it's just amount. So what we want to
Okay.
do is just like don't highlight all of column F, just
Yeah.
highlight the things under the first row.
Okay. Yeah, you can redo Control Y. Yeah.
But
Okay.
yeah,
Okay. Yeah. Continue.
it's all
please.
fine.
Yep. Good.
Hmm.
Now we have to copy up to B2E.
Yep.
Then move the data on column C.
Hmm.
And now we have to copy. Need our remittance number.
Yeah.
We have to go here, and here we can get our remittance number. Put it here. Then the date. Should we need to change the invoice date? Actually, you keep
Nah,
it
we don't
as
need to
it
change
is.
that. We don't need to change that invoice date because that's more when the invoice was created, and
Oh,
that's not really
okay.
important for us.
Okay, okay. And now we have to pull up the credit
Yeah, let's see.
memo templates for both of them. This one and this one also. Now we have to go back to our payment on Wayfair, and we have to select the deduction amount
Hmm.
to here and move it to our Wayfair credit memo on column C.
Yep.
It don't seems like it's okay to be okay because ship date is replaced with return and other stuff.
Okay, now we need to check remittance number and remittance date. So
Mhm.
is it okay, Hunter? Because there is no one.
Okay, yeah. Here, go back to the thing and the Wayfair check, Wayfair Excel, and Wayfair invoice Excel.
Mhm.
Okay, so in column M, that's where you're going to be getting it, where it has the -1. Now, let me just tell you why there's a -1 on here. When we originally were doing it, there was Castlegate.
Yeah.
That was it being it, but like, and what this would do would be telling you like, if it's 1, it's just Wayfair. If there's a -2 in it, that's a Castlegate order.
Okay.
So you know where like not to apply certain discounts and when you have to do something specific. But because we don't do Castlegate anymore, it doesn't fully matter.
Okay. So we
Like you can
can.
have
I
it
can.
regular, you can have it as a
So I
dash
can
one.
regular. So I can put the regular check number here also.
Yeah, you can put the
Oh,
regular check number in here. Like we are not going to be worrying about Castlegate
okay.
anymore.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I have already put the check date. Now we move the column E and F.
hmm Yep, we take those things, put it into E and F, put them in F and G, just like you did.
Mm-hmm.
And now we get rid of the
E.
shipping date.
And I have to put the ship date here from Udo.
Yeah. Oh, well, yeah, first let's get rid of those and turn those into negatives. Yeah, get rid of those USD.
Maybe if you change the formulas, looking formulas to value,
Looking
that'll
formulas
help.
to value.
There
Yeah.
is nothing. Mm,
Look in formulas to values. I guess it will be work on.
no, there is no values. It should.
Can we select the whole column and do it for that whole column? It will work.
Or the text to columns would also work. If you do, yeah.
Yeah, if you do text of columns, do like space, the space, and put in like the whatever semicolon. No, not semicolon. Parentheses, I believe.
Yeah. Think
That's what it's called.
parentheses.
Yeah, and other do the right semi
You.
and parentheses. The other direction.
It and take other.
The right semicolon. I mean the left semicolon.
Yeah, it didn't take another one.
I mean
Like that.
parentheses. Yeah, the one on zero.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
tried
like
to put
no,
it, but
press
it
back.
didn't.
Press back. Get rid of that. Press back.
Mm-hmm.
No. Okay, press next. Okay, get rid of the parentheses and other.
Mm-hmm.
Put in the right parentheses, the one on zero. Okay. And oh, yeah, that's right. This is the special character space. Okay, you know what? Press finish on that. Okay, go in, copy the space between USD and the number. Text to column. Do it again. Yeah, get rid of the parentheses. Put in that space. There you go. Okay, now in column H, you could do equal, negative, and select the amount. There you go. That's a way to do it.
Oh, I will copy paste first and then.
Yeah, copy and paste. Okay. There we go. And now we can get the cry memos made. And now we can go and get those cry memos made.
Yes.
Okay, and also, let me just point out. Actually, no. What we're gonna want to do is,
We have
and
to
yeah,
use
there,
make this
copy. Yeah, copy all of that. And put them all in there. And just get rid of the amount and invoice. Okay, and I will say in column F, credit origins, where we'll be seeing replacement parts, return, Wayfair management, and manage, and misship. Those are going to be like telling us why they got returned and how to really handle it. If it looks like the discount amount is going to be very off or whatever or something, it would be best to like take the credit origin and look up a past one. Like you can see at the very top of 3066 that says misship. That can like help you go on how to handle the one in like 3088. So like that's what I do because it's kind of hard to memorize how everything is done. So just go off of how one was done before because it's going to be consistent. And that should be like helpful. But now we could get that credit memo going and making credit memos.
So we need to select the PO number and search it on Zen invoice so we can get the invoice number.
Mm-hmm.
And paste it on column M. So this will be automatically updated. Then we need the amount. 329. With here so that we can get out discount and difference.
Mm-hmm.
And we have to put the invoice date here.
Yes.
Like this date.
Okay, while you guys filling that up and filling that out, I'll be right back. I just need to eat and go use the restroom.
Okay.
তাহলে তো উনি তো হয়ে যায়। হান্টার ইয়েতে গেছে, হান্টার রেস্টুরেন্টে গেছে। কিসের? না আমি তো গিয়ে এলাম।
Okay, I'm back.
That's making coming up.
I think it's mortgage checking a phone that happens with capital with phone. I submitted payment and firm fixed everything, right? Capturing application allocated this.
I'm sorry, but you're saying there's two payments for
That requires secondary routines first out of the same operating account.
which operating account?
Body to the same main operating account.
Providing operating account out of the Texas Bank, the Texas Capital Bank.
Yes.
Okay. So that money's coming out of Texas Capital Bank and going to where?
It's a first payment. The option for $7,789. Market
As far as I understand, there is no Revati account with Texas Capital Bank. How is that supposed to work? Oh, how is that supposed to? I don't get it. It was a scandal, but I don't understand how it was supposed to work. They're claiming they're Texas Capital Bank, and that there is an amount going out to whatever thing, to whatever place. And we don't have a Texas Capital Bank. So even if I approved it, what would have happened? Nothing. There's no money. We don't have going to happen. So
Okay, move all the data from Odoo.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So now we're ready to get the crab memo made.
Yeah. So for that, we need to create notes for export the create notes for Wayfair.
Mm-hmm.
yeah, we haven't had any Texas accounts since 21.
Which company?
And
The person from this company.
have to go to our credit memo import for
We claimed it from Texas Capital Bank.
Wayfair and import file. Then we have to
They say they are.
move it on
Say
here.
they're from Texas Capital Bank.
Mm-hmm.
trying to confirm if an outgoing payment
Then
is
we have to move the column F to column
usually
O.
do
Yeah.
something of that nature to confirm that the outgoing payment is correct. Like
You
you
can
have
send
to,
us the
And we
statement.
have to
I have to
switch
prove
to
that
column.
I am to approve that payment. Well, I'm not making that payment yet. So whether I need to approve or deny it, it's irrelevant. You know, and they're going to ask for information.
I have to move the copy the
Stuff like that.
we have to select the invoices column from
Mhm.
column Q and paste it over
Yep.
column M.
Mm-hmm.
And we have to scroll
Yeah,
down.
make sure that. Yeah, make sure that thing is all the way down.
Yeah, it's all the way down.
Mhm.
Now we have to export the invoices for Wayfair.
Yep.
Now we have to select column A to L, and we have to move it over credit memo template QV invoices.
Mm-hmm.
You know, when I start the PBS, when all person like, whatever it is, first week of February, second. Yes.
Yeah, it's up all the way down.
I want to say there was an airplane taken somewhere. That would give us that information. We have a receipt with that airplane thing.
Now we have to go to our template and put the check number here.
No, I don't.
Mm-hmm.
Then we need the PO number. Select the PO number and move it over to column B.
It's not
Mhm.
don't give it in February 9th.
And a number. Then date. Now we need the SKU numbers from here.
Mm-hmm.
Um, Now we need the gross amount, like this one, from QB invoice.
Mhm.
Paste.
Ooh,
Mhm.
one thing I should have specified that you need to make sure that each one of them are like. Wait, give me a sec. Okay, so unfortunately for Wayfair like this, it doesn't tell us the quantity amount or how much is getting returned.
Okay.
So it is best to like if you notice something has like a 2 or
Mm-hmm.
multiple quantities being returned and the price is matching up with that quantity, then you're gonna need to do like that whole adjustments, like dividing the QB invoice amount by the quantity number.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I can understood. Okay.
Yeah,
So for
but
that, I have to check on audio that we have for each of them that we have any multiple quantities for these or
yeah,
not. So we have to check on. I think we need to add another column here, like quantities. Then where while we are working on or checking on the RN, then it will be we can update it also here. So We get all the quantities. We need the gross amount, so we have to select column I, then paste it and move it over column J, so that in that way we can get our exact gross amount. To remove them, now we need the discount amount. So J. Go to the formula, divide by quantity. We need to make our net total always positive. So now we have to check if our calculations are all okay or not. I have to check the total. You can see the total is 0, so we are good to go. And we have to remove this data. Now we have to save this file. to copy the. We have to select the A2K and move it to input credit for input credit sheet. And before that, moving that part before, we have to do the dispute. Dispute, check the disputes if there is have any. First we have to check the quantities. If there is any multiple quantities, then we have to check those one. Here is none, so we are good here. Then we have to check the credit memos, if there is any duplicate credit memos here or not. We already see there is NYA, no credit memo. We are good here also. Then we have to check if it paid twice or not. So there is one. So yeah, it also good. And for price check, there is no label. So I think we are all good, and we can ready to import the credit memos. So we have to go here on Odoo, then customer import credit notes.
বুঝতেছি না ভাই, আমি কিছু বুঝতে পারছি না। দ্যাটস দ্য মেইন প্রবলেম। আমি হোল টোটাল প্রসেসটা স্টেপ বাই স্টেপ দেখতে পারলে আর খুব মজা পাইতাম মনে হয়, নিজে নিজে গুতাইতাম। স্টেপ বাই স্টেপ প্রসেস যদি নিজে নিজে গুতাইতাম তাহলে বোরিং লাগতো না, আমিও পাশাপাশি করতাম। কালকেই ভাই, কালকেই কালকে কালকে একটা বসে বসে দেখবো। হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ,
We got our credit import report, so we have to save and pull it up. With the credit memos. And go back to our credit import folder. This is the credit memos on column J under check number, and save it. This will complete the part for Wayfair credit memos. Now we can move forward to our payment input. So we are going now. We have to always keep safe and close this Wayfair credit memos. Now we have to open our Wayfair input file. Before that, we need the data from Odoo. So from accounting, then customer invoice, then search Wayfair partner. Now we have to import the data from Odoo.
ক্রেডিট মেমোরি সব ঝামেলা। ভাই আপনি কি 3 নাম্বারটা করতেছেন এখন তাইলে? 3 নাম্বারটা করতেছেন? থার্ড ওয়ান এখন কি করতেছেন? ও
We have to select the data from A2L and move it over our open invoices. Then we have to go up to our column M&M and to just expand it so we can get our credit memos and invoice number for all Wayfair orders. Now we have to go over template test formula tab and put customer name. Then put the check number on column J. Then we can go to Wayfair tab and get our invoice number from column K. Paste it over column A. We need the date. So we have to go So Wayfair here and copy the remittance this select. Now we need our PO numbers. So from column D we can get our PO numbers. Need the gross amount. So to go to column G. And put it over column B. And we need the adjusted amount from column N on Wayfair tab. This and move it over column E. Now we have to go here and write a formula. And also we have to put the data here. Now we are going to move our credit memos. So we're going to select the credit memo column from column J and put it under invoices. Then the date we have to fill. The PO. Net total from column K. Move it over column H. To go to our column D and make a formula. To move the data on column J also. Now we need to move the positive amount from column H and paste it over on column D. We do it because the credit memo needs to be recorded as positive in order for the import to work properly. So now we need the total amount, check amount. So here is the total check amount. It was a 1 cent off. Go here and calculate. If you calculate the discount, then it will total 969.13. So we are all by here is 969.12. So we are going to adjust any one of them. Now it matches 969.13, and we need to do our math again. So the total amount matches. Now we are good to go with our import template. So we are going to select column A to J and move it over paste payment import sample. And we are going to save the file. Invoice import folder. Now we are going to start importing this check on Odoo.
On column 2, if that's going to import because of the formatting,
Column 2, this one?
or the row 2.
Row 2?
Is that gonna import because of that formatting, or is that
Here?
go back to the other Excel sheet? Yeah, that I don't know. It's okay. Just make sure that one imports. Yeah,
This one? Okay,
Yeah.
I will. Okay, I will. No worries.
good setup. Okay.
হুম তাহলে হয়ে যাবো হুম ওটা দেখলে কইতে পারবো এখন কইতে পারতেছি না আমি ভি লুক আপ করলে হয়ে যাবে এটা আমার তখন মনে হয়েছে আর কি হ্যাঁ 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 হুদাই আমি তাও শিওর না দেখতে হবে আমার কাছে মনে হয়েছে যে ওই পার্টটা তো ভি লুক আপ করা যায় মনে হয়েছে বা ইন্ডেক্স ম্যাক্স করা যায় ভাই কতক্ষণ লাগবে বাসায় যাব খিদা পাইছে না না ও বলতে চাইছিল যে কলাম ও কলাম 2 বলতেছে বাট ওই রো 2 টা মিডল অ্যালাইনমেন্ট হয়ে আছে
Now, where the invoices are imported successfully, payment has been imported successfully, we are going to export and put the invoice report on invoice 2026 January invoice report here, and always make sure to save the data with correct check number. Now we are going to pull up this data. Go to import message and select all of them. And open the invoice import file, payment import file, and paste it over column K.
Okay, you give me 1 second. Hold on. Give me 1 second. Let me just check on something real quick.
Yeah.
Hold on. Give me 1 second. Okay, it's fine. Thank you.
Fine. It's okay.
Yeah, it's fine. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so the payment has been completed and all of the our payment has been successfully imported to Odoo. So this will complete our Wayfair payment for this check. If you have any question, then please ask.
Anyone address করেন? Anyone have a questions?
Anyone have any questions?
I was good with it. So let's schedule because we still have let's schedule another meeting
Yes,
for
sure.
next Monday the same time because we still have build house overstock to do. So I
Okay.
think so we'll set up maybe a couple more meetings same time for next week and forward a couple more meetings just to get the rest of it. So we still have like build house overstock. So all right.
Oh, sure. We'll do it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shamin, please take a note that you will set up all the meetings, okay?
Okay.
Mhm.
I will create a meeting for the next Monday at the same time.
Yeah, I mean, you can create concurring meetings so that we have like next couple of weeks same time.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, then.
Mhm.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so
Hunter,
much.
you wanna say anything else in today's meeting? Hunter, you're there? I'm not sure if he's here. Okay, no problem. So we can conclude. Yeah.
Can we conclude?
I think we can. If Hunter has anything, maybe I can check. Okay,
Yeah.
Hunter raised hand, but I don't know if you are muted, I think, Hunter.
I've been muted this entire time.
Yeah.
I was saying comments, and it's like, okay, you want to do this, you want to do that. Oh man, okay, yeah. What I was wanting to say is like, yeah, you guys are really getting it. Like, yeah, you guys got Home Depot down, Wayfair. Like, you already did some Wayfairs beforehand, Lowe's. Yeah, like, just follow those notes, keep doing what you're doing, and you guys are getting it. Really, I've been muted this entire time.
Yeah.
We
Okay,
thought that you were not talking.
Yeah, I was trying to be like, yeah, that's how you do it. You do that and stuff. Dang it. I don't know what happened. Wait, give me a sec. I want to try something. Okay, can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear.
Okay.
Yeah.
Should I unplug this and plug it back in? Okay, well, yeah, you guys are doing great.
Okay, let's meet next week and the week after. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
sure.
Okay. Thank you,
you
guys.
so much.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
জাফর ভাই আমাকে মারবে